this is a combined class.
Yes, it is a combined class of 4th A, B, C, all the 3 sections together.
Ma'am, all the 3 sections.
Yes, and I'm facing so much network problem today that I got so late in starting the class. It was not being started only.
Ma'am, I was thinking that when will the meeting start?
I was here only. I had clicked on it, but it was buffering and buffering. It wasn't being started. There is so much network issue today with me. All
Ma'am,
right.
I am also. Ma'am, today can I teach you how to make a crack?
Today I have to teach.
Today I have a network issue. Ma'am, because ma'am, the lecture it will take less than 5 minutes.
Done? Spoken? All of you together spoken so much? Okay. Now, since we are 3 sections together, so we have to do something in common. Okay? That all 3 sections will do. Now tell me.
Quiz.
No, not quiz, not any quiz.
Ma'am, that one only, ma'am.
Origami.
Yes, ma'am.
Origami. Ma'am, can I tell you how to
Ma'am,
make
I have
a
to teach frog. Frog.
So,
Ma'am,
Utsav,
it
are you
will take
ready with
5
that?
minutes.
Yes,
Varun, now
ma'am.
your turn is gone. Beta, give chance to others. Not in every class, I can't give you the privilege, no? Let other children also come forward. Utsav, are you ready to teach?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, children, what we are going to do in the class today is all 3 classes, we are going to do some paper craft. What is the paper craft called? Can anybody tell? Tell, there is a particular.
Ma'am, origami.
Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, origami.
Perfect. So now in this class today, we have Utsav Gangwar, who is going to teach us how to make a frog from a piece of paper.
Ma'am, actually, I have a book which has everything in it. How to make a frog, also a camel and elephant.
Very nice. Wonderful, Noel. So, Utsav, can you please show your piece of paper, how big it should be?
Ma'am, like this.
Like this. So it is from where? It's a square piece of paper. It looks like a square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everybody just be ready with a square piece of paper and we are going to learn how to make a frog. Do you know how to make your paper square?
Yes, ma'am, I know. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to make a triangle first.
Yes, you have to fold your paper first and the last part, the leftover part, we will just tear it off.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, like this. So everybody be ready with a square piece of paper. Utsav, you have to give 2 minutes to everyone. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Anshuman, that doesn't look like a square piece. First, change it into a square piece, beta. Okay? Doesn't look like it's a square. Make a triangle.
Good morning.
Yes, like this. And the leftover part, you're going to tear it off. Iram, just show how you've done.
Ma'am, I have a first.
Folded the paper like this. Yes. Anshuman, can you see how she has done?
Good morning, Papa. And we have to make A4 sheet.
Yes, perfect.
Ma'am, first I have take this paper, then fold it like this.
Yes.
This and this part I have to cut.
Yes, we have to cut, we have to tear off the remaining part.
We have to.
Beta, we are doing some paper craft work. So we have to take a piece of paper that is square in shape. Now Utsav is going to teach us how to make a frog on a piece of paper. From a piece of paper, I should say. Be ready with your paper, cut it into, make it into square shape. Till then, I'm going to take your attendance, okay? Now, see, yes, it's fine. Now, Utsav, please look after everyone's sheet, how they are doing, because you are going to teach it. So you have to look after what everybody is doing. Everybody show your piece of paper to Utsav.
Ma'am, wait.
This is 5.
And this is my sheet.
Anjuman, your is fine, Iram's is fine, and Varun is fine. Jayesh, please Jayesh, cut it half.
Advika, where is your piece of paper? Very good, Avika. Utsav, you have to tell it to other section students also.
Ma'am, I am telling.
See, Avika is holding her piece of paper.
Ma'am, it is correct.
And children, for this activity, you're supposed to keep your camera on. Only then you're going to show and learn how you will make it.
Ma'am, is my piece of paper is okay?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Pratishtha, today you don't have a ma'am, you have a little sir. So this little sir is going to teach you. Utsav sir.
Okay. Utsav is my paper is
It is
okay?
correct. It is correct.
Okay.
Jayesh, now it is correct. Riddhi, your is also correct. Mehul, your also is correct.
Who is Rajneesh Kumar in class? Can I know your name, beta? Who is Rajneesh Kumar?
Adrika, your is correct.
All right, now step 1. Everybody come to step 1. What you're supposed to do.
Ma'am, wait.
Wait,
Ma'am,
still wait.
wait.
Okay. Anjali, open your camera, beta. Anjali, Om, everybody, open your cameras.
Open my camera. Ma'am, I cannot open my camera because of network issue.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, a perfect square sheet.
I have also done.
All right. Now I think we should move to the first step.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first we have to, ma'am, like this. The paper is like this. Ma'am, we have to fold.
Combined class.
Yes, beta, it's a combined class. Yes,
Ma'am, we have
Utsav.
to fold it like this.
What we are doing?
Beta, see, this is so wrong. You people join the class so late. After 10 minutes, you're joining the class, and then you keep asking in the middle of the class what we are
So
doing.
it is correct?
Yes.
I should not give entry to such students now. I will
Yes,
just
it is
lock my meeting room after 5 minutes. If you have to do this way.
Okay, now it is correct.
Yes.
Now see, everybody has to take a square piece of paper in your hand. we are doing some paper craft work. Be ready with a square piece of paper. Then first step, you have to fold the paper like this,
Yes.
so that it looks like a rectangle now. It has become a rectangle. You have to fold it into half. Okay, done. Next,
Ma'am, next we have to cut these two pieces.
cut them. How? How you have to cut them?
Ma'am, I am showing.
Okay.
Ma'am, like
To cut
this.
these. Okay.
And with the scale we can do.
Ma'am, I'm going
All
with
right.
the
So you
scissors.
have to make them into two rectangles.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Then
Ma'am, please wait for a minute.
And next step is, ma'am, we
yes, keep telling, Utsav, keep telling.
yes, ma'am, I am telling. Please wait. Yes. Ma'am, we have to fold it like this.
Ma'am, one piece or both the pieces?
One piece only.
Oh, okay. Hold it. Hold it.
Karan, your is correct.
Is my correct, Utsav?
Yes.
Is my correct?
Is my correct, Utsav? Yes.
Mine is correct.
Then Utsav, what we have to do? Yes, Utsav, after
Then
this, what
open
we have
that.
to do?
Then we have to open it.
Opened. Opened.
Now, please wait. And then you have to fold the paper like this in a square. Like this. Okay, we have fold.
Like this?
Like this?
Like this.
Yes.
Utsav, like this?
Yes.
Utsav, my is correct?
Utsav, my is correct. Utsav, my is correct.
Where is Utsav disappeared? I can't see Utsav.
Ma'am, I have opened Utsav.
Utsav, is your camera open? Okay, there are two screens. All right, just wait. Okay. Now after
Utsav, it is
folding,
correct?
And then after we have to open that, and then we have to from next side, from the back we have to do. Ma'am, from here we have folded that, and then we have to open, and from here we have to from that side we have to.
now this side we have to do the other side.
Yes, like,
Utsav,
So does it
Utsav,
look
like
like this?
yes.
Does it look
Varun,
like
yours
this?
is not
Something like this on one side and on the other side. Does it look like this?
No, ma'am, first time we have done like this. Ma'am,
Okay.
like we have opened that. Ma'am, then from here only we have to, from another side we have to do.
Okay.
Like this, Uttam. First we have folded like this, then
Mine is correct, Utsav.
I have first fold like here, then I have from here.
first we have to do from here. Then we have to open it from. Then we have to open from here.
Okay, then what next?
Utsav, please tell again. Utsav, please tell again.
First, we have to do like this. Like this.
Then
Ma'am, then we have to
Then?
open it.
Open
Then
it.
from here only from the,
from now this side we have to take it to the back side.
yes ma'am. Ma'am, this only side from, ma'am, we have
Okay.
done like this.
I take a back side of.
All right.
Like this.
Utsav, is my correct?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Utsav, is my correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then next step.
Ma'am, then we have to do the step from the another side.
Okay. The same step you have to do now on this part. Earlier we
Yes,
did it on
ma'am.
this part. Now we are going to do
Yes.
it on this part. Okay.
Yes,
Fold it inside. Hold it inside. Press it with your finger. Then open it and take it on the other side. And again.
Page.
Utsav, it is correct?
Utsav, like this.
Utsav, like this?
Now
Ma'am,
see.
like this. Ma'am, from one side, ma'am, the
See
we
children,
have to
what
open
we
it.
want is we want these lines. Right, Utsav?
Yes, ma'am.
We just
Ma'am,
want
like
this.
these.
Yes.
Ma'am, here and then ma'am from here.
Yes,
It
here
can come.
and then from here. We want these lines. That's all.
Utsav, it is correct.
Please wait. Yes, yes. Iram,
Okay, Utsav, you
just
please
wait.
go on. If anybody will not understand, I will just help him out.
Okay,
Go
ma'am.
on, tell the next step.
Ma'am, ma'am, please wait. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then these two lines will come. Then we have to do like this. Ma'am, like these. Ma'am, please wait.
How, Utsav?
Please
Beta, wait. He's saying wait.
Yes, ma'am. Like this, it should become, ma'am, that lines.
Just open it and show
Ma'am,
what you have done. Now this is a little
Ma'am.
typical step.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when these line will come, then we have to do like this. Ma'am, then it will come.
I could not
Ma'am,
understand.
like this.
Just
Ma'am,
open
like
it,
this.
beta. Open it.
Utsav, like this.
Ma'am, like this.
Utsav, like this.
Utsav, please tell again.
Ma'am, I am telling again.
Utsav,
Ma'am,
like
then
this.
when these lines will come, ma'am, then from this step, ma'am, here, we
Okay.
have to fold it like this. And ma'am, this.
Like this.
Utsav, like this. Utsav, like this.
Utsav, like this. Utsav, like this. Like this.
This is a very difficult step. Now I think Jayesh has done something like this. What have you done,
Like
Jayesh?
this. Ma'am, like this. Utsav, like this.
Ma'am, ma'am, these lines should come, not ma'am, that, ma'am,
That.
that.
Like this.
Ma'am, we have to make like this. Utsav, like this.
Yes.
It is correct. Ma'am, this is the Utsav, it is correct. Utsav, it is correct. Utsav, it is correct.
No,
Yes,
now
yes.
Utsav-
Ma'am, Varun can do. Ma'am, like this.
Utsav, like
Yes,
this.
ma'am, Iram's is correct. Ma'am, Iram's is correct.
Utsav, just show it. Utsav, just open it and show it once again. Why? How come this triangle has been formed? My triangle is not being.
Ma'am, my is correct. Please tell.
Ma'am, the lines should come. Ma'am,
Then we have on the
Ma'am,
top
please tell my is correct.
put down.
Ma'am, my is correct. Ma'am, please tell.
Ma'am, Advika is correct.
It's a my
Okay.
correct.
Show it.
Ma'am,
Samar,
Advika is correct.
Samar, I think yours is not correct, beta. What you have done?
My correct.
Utsav,
Please. What's up, my is correct?
Yes,
Utsav,
ma'am,
my-
yours is correct.
What's up, is my correct?
Please wait. No.
Utsav, is my correct?
can't understand.
Even I can't understand. It has become very typical now.
Utsav, I also can't
Okay, children, no problem.
Yes, ma'am, I
See,
can also not understand how we have
Be
to
quiet.
fold it.
yes. Those who have understood, listen. Those who have understood can go on and finish off the product, the item. They can make their craft. If we are not being able to understand, we should give a pause here and let everybody else make it. Then next step, Utsav.
Ma'am, next step, ma'am, we have to open it. Ma'am,
Okay.
then from there, ma'am, when we have done that, another triangle from this we have done. Here we have all. Here we should also be.
All right.
Now what we have to do?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
after this, can I make one origami? Ma'am, I will make a heart.
Next step, Utsav.
Ma'am, next we have to open this. Ma'am, when that triangle will come, we have to open this. Ma'am, then we have to.
Please wait, Utsav, 2 minutes.
I am telling you. And then we have to make these. Ma'am, please wait.
Utsav, can you show again?
One second. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to done like this.
Okay, you have to,
Ma'am, do like this. Ma'am,
from both sides, you have to fold the paper and bring it in front of each other. The same paper,
Yes.
we are doing it with the same piece of paper. All right. see,
yes, ma'am.
It's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Then next, very good.
Ma'am, then we have to open it.
Again, open it. Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, now I please wait. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now we have to also do that triangle.
Ma'am, but I can't do that triangle.
Now it can be done easily.
So,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, now I have done. Ma'am, now I have done.
we have to make that triangle on both the sides.
yes, ma'am.
Does it look like this? Does it look like this?
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, first time that I have done.
Utsav, please see. We have to do like this for triangle.
No.
It is very, I cannot understand.
The side of
I also cannot understand this triangle one. What's
up like this?
I make one.
we have to down.
Yes.
I have made one.
Utsav, beta, you
Yes.
we can't see how you're folding your paper. So can you adjust your camera a little so that we can see how you're folding your paper on the table?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first we have to do like this. Ma'am, the paper in this line is like this.
Okay, then what next?
Ma'am, then we have to open it. Ma'am, then we have to do like this. Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, there are many lines on the paper.
Yes, there are many lines.
Now what's up? What we have to
Now,
do?
Utsav. Utsav, you are muted.
And now we have to do like this. Ma'am, here
Yes.
we have. Ma'am, here we have done Utsav. Here. Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, it is so typical.
Ma'am, I can't do it.
Yes,
What we
now
have to
even I can't do it.
Utsav, what we have to do?
After this, what we have to do?
Utsav, see what Iram has
do
made.
it like this.
Ma'am, this Iram has done wrong. Ma'am, we have to do like this. Yeah.
My God, what we have to do? Coming in.
Utsav, it is correct. Like this.
What? What you have to fold it. We have to do now?
Now do
Then
one
we have
thing.
to do the step again. Ma'am, then we have to do the step again next side.
On the other side.
Yes, ma'am.
Utsav, like this.
I don't know what I'm making, but still I'm trying. Okay, so does it look like this? Does it look something like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am. No.
Ma'am, please teach me also, ma'am. I cannot understand what it is.
Yes, ma'am, please tell me also. Mine is coming like this.
Beta, I don't think I have done it in a correct way. I don't know. Let me see if it will be correct. I'll teach you. Unnecessarily, there is no point confusing you. Then what next?
Ma'am, I also do.
Ma'am, I can't do it.
Same here. I also feel that I can't do it. Only the teacher in the class is being able to do it perfectly. The students are not learning.
Ma'am, we have to do
Utsav,
it
it
like
is like this.
me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Jayesh has done.
Jayesh has done. Okay, then what next?
Ma'am, then the shape will come like this.
Show
Ma'am, like this.
from the
Yes.
back. It will be like this. And from the front, please show what it is.
Utsav, like this. From back like
Ma'am,
from back
first
like this.
we have made the triangle. Ma'am, Marin has done.
All right, perfect.
Ma'am, like this. Excuse me, ma'am.
Looks like, Lakshita, it
From
looks
the
like
back
you
it
have
is
done
coming
it
like
correct.
this.
Like this.
Utsav,
Coming
from
like
the back
this.
it is coming like this.
Who is this child? Huh? Mute yourself.
Ma'am, please wait.
Utsav, from the back it is coming like this.
Utsav, mine is coming like this.
Now Utsav is just going to pull his hair and he will be like, what am I doing? Is it Utsav?
Utsav, what is the next step?
Utsav, what is next step?
Ma'am, I'm telling.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like
I have made this origami whale yesterday. So, ma'am, afterward, can I show you that how I have made it?
Yes, beta. Afterwards, you can show.
Okay, ma'am.
Utsav, now show us the next step.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm showing. Ma'am, then it will come like this, ma'am. Then we have to do, ma'am, like this. Ma'am, one. Utsav, please wait. Utsav, please wait.
Utsav, how? Utsav, how you have done this?
This and then
And then we have to do from the another side.
Utsav, how you have done this?
And I'm showing.
Yes, yeah.
okay,
Ma'am, I
done.
have done like this. Ma'am, here is the point. Ma'am, then I fold it like this.
Okay.
Utsav, like this.
We have folded like this, and then
Utsav,
we have
like
folded.
Varinesh, ma'am, half correct.
So it's like this.
Something like this. I don't know.
Ma'am,
Then
Utsav, I am half correct.
Ma'am, yes, what?
I am half correct.
Yes.
I have made like this now.
Now here will be the corners. From the corners, we have to make it like this.
So it's my correct.
okay. Then next step.
Yes, ma'am, Jayesh is correct.
We have to do what from this.
Ma'am,
Ira.
please wait.
Iram,
Utsav,
we
it is
have, now
correct.
today we have to be very patient today because we are all getting so frustrated. We are not being able to make.
Utsav, it is correct.
And I made it many times.
Very nice, Jayesh. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, now
Ma'am, there are
now here
many
will be
tricks
the
to make this.
Then next step.
What we have done with this? Please tell what we have done. So please tell.
again. Ma'am, here are the corners. Ma'am, only we have to do. Ma'am, we have to fold that.
All right, we have folded that. Now after this, what we are supposed to do? Is this our frog?
Ma'am, I am making.
And there is a various steps.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Then next. Oh,
ma'am,
we
then
have-
we have to do like this. Ma'am, these legs have come. Then we have to fold it like this.
okay, fine,
Ma'am,
done.
I don't able to make.
Then next.
Ma'am, then
Utsav,
you
like
have
this?
to, ma'am, like this. Ma'am, then you have to front it like this. Ma'am, then
Utsav, you are doing everything on the table. You're not showing us how you are doing.
ma'am, I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
showing. Ma'am, this is the ma'am.
These
Utsav, it
are
is correct.
these
Ma'am,
are the
these-
legs. Yes. of-
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then we have to fold it like this.
Yes, folded. After that,
Ma'am, after that we have to do from the another side also, from another leg also.
done. Done from both the
Utsav,
legs.
it is
Then
Ma'am, then we have to front the frog.
Utsav, it is correct. Utsav, it is correct like this. Utsav.
Ma'am, Hiram is correct. Ma'am, Hiram is correct.
very good. Finally, Iram did it.
Karan, ma'am, it is not
Now
correct.
what we have to do, Utsav?
I am telling.
Now we have to make this frog and we
I
have to
don't
slap
understand
this
this
frog
step.
because it has irritated us so much.
But ma'am, if you will
Ma'am,
slap
this is a hard step.
I'm going to be destroyed.
Now this is a hard step. Each step was a hard step, Utsav.
Ma'am,
Each step was a hard step.
ma'am, then the corners have come. Then we have to do like this.
Yeah. Okay, why can't How Utsav you have done?
Please show again.
These corners have come. We have to fold like this.
On the back side.
On the here side. Front side.
Front side we have to fold like this.
Children,
On the
in 2 minutes, the class will get over.
Ma'am, all the class has not made.
Next minute, I'm ending the class because we have our next class then.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. So we can't wait
Yes.
for very long.
Next class is of yours or any other teacher? Facebook and Instagram.
Let me see.
Ma'am, ma'am, it is not yours.
Yes, it's not my class.
Now it is made.
Okay. So children, I'm ending the class here. Very nice. Very good.
I have also made.
Ma'am, this is the
Wow.
frog. Ma'am, this is the frog.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Arushi has also made. Very nice. Wonderful.
Ma'am, this is the frog.
Good.
Yes.
Nice.
Ma'am, Varun has made also.
Ma'am, Utsav, Maya is correct.
Utsav, mine is correct.
Utsav, Maya is correct.
Yes. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
then
I
only
have
one step
made.
is left. Ma'am, that this corner is come. Ma'am, from this, we have to fold it like this. Only ma'am this.
Very good. Very
Ma'am, then the
nice.
full frog will made.
Yes, yes, yes.
Utsav, like this. Utsav, like this.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have folded like this. Now it is correct.
Yes. Ma'am, Ira ma'am, Varun have made.
All right. So here, bye to all of you. Very good.
Bye, ma'am.
And get ready for your next